Last date of withdrawal of candidature 22nd March. Date of poll 6th April. Am I clear? Go back to Kerala, please. Scrutiny 20th March. Withdrawal 22nd. Date of poll 6th April. Is it okay? By-election to the vacant seat of Malappuram Parliamentary Constituency shall be conducted simultaneously along with the Assembly of Kerala on 6th April 2021. Shall I go to next? General election to Assembly of Tamil Nadu 2021. All elections to 38 districts consisting of 234 assembly constituencies shall be held in a single phase as follows. Issue of notification 12th March. Last date of nomination 19th March. Last scrutiny of nominations 20th March. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 22nd March. Date of poll 6th April. If it is not clear to anybody, I can read it again. It's clear?
What about the parliament election?
I'm coming. This was my next slide. Just watch there. Elections to the vacant seat of 39 Kanyakumari Parliamentary Constituency will also be conducted simultaneously along with the assembly elections on 6th April. Right? Puducherry, 2 districts, 30 assembly constituencies to be conducted in a single phase as follows. Actually, when we went to Puducherry, most of the political parties wanted that the election should be conducted along with Tamil Nadu because both sides probably felt unsavory elements coming in from this side or that side, and Tamil Nadu being a far bigger state, this was the only major demand of the political parties in Puducherry. Anyway, I'll read it now. Issue of notification 12th March. Last date of nomination 19th March. Scrutiny of nomination 20th March. Last date of withdrawal 22nd March. Date of poll 6th April. Friends, is it clear? West Bengal, 8 phases. Last time it was 7. No, that was, I have the data with me because I have to meet such intelligent people. That was split into 6A and 6B. It was ineffectively 7. It was split into 6A and 6B. You can take the statement from me after this. West Bengal first phase. This will be 30 ACs. 30 ACs. Issue of notification 2nd March. Last date of nominations 9th March. Scrutiny of nomination 10th March. Withdrawal of candidature 12th March. Date of poll 27th March. And those 5 districts are Purulia, Bankura, Jhargram, Paschim Midnapur Part 1,